year 2000 was supposed to be a fresh start, a new millennium full of hope. But what many don't remember are the chilling events that marked its beginning. Here are 5 terrifying true events that happened in the year 2000. 1. The Alaska Airlines Flight 261 crash on January 31st. Alaska Airlines Flight 261 plunged into the Pacific Ocean near California. All 88 people on board were killed. The jack screw, a small but vital part of the plane's tail, had failed due to poor maintenance. The crew fought for control for 9 agonizing minutes until the final, fatal dive. 2. The Uganda cult massacre. In March, over 700 people died in Uganda in one of the worst cult-related massacres in history. The movement for the restoration of the 10 Commandments convinced followers the world would end. When it didn't, the leaders locked hundreds inside a church and set it on fire. 3rd Kursk submarine disaster. In August, the Russian submarine Kursk sank during a naval exercise in the Barents Sea. 118 sailors were trapped in total darkness and freezing water. A torpedo explosion was followed by silence, but tapping was heard from survivors days after. Rescue came too late. The dot-com crash. It wasn't just tech stocks that collapsed. It was dreams. Thousands lost their jobs and savings overnight when the dot-com bubble burst in early 2000. Companies vanished, and some even took their lives. The fear that the future itself had died with the market. The millennium bug, fear and fallout. While the Y2K bug didn't end the world, it exposed how fragile it was. Governments spent billions fearing planes would fall, nukes would launch, and systems would crash. It didn't happen, but the fear was real. And what we saw was how easily mass panic can take over. 2000 was just the beginning. The new millennium didn't start with a bang, but with a chill down the spine. Subscribe if you want more terrifying truths from history, because the past is darker than you remember.